So in our last video, we got the image of the turtle showing up, but it's ginormous. So we want to figure out how we can make it smaller and maybe do some other stuff like rotate it and whatnot. So let's what we can do is when we draw it, we can say, okay, whatever the source width height is, let's make the destination width height equal to the let's say radius comma radius. How about that? Because we have a radius already, right? Let's try that. See what that looks like. Oh, tiny. Oh, he is kind of moving around though. So that's a little on the small side for us. So maybe because it's drawing a square. So really we want it to be 2 times the radius. And that should be about the same size as the circle. Let's see. There we go. Yoink. So now we got a turtle. So now the other thing that would be cool would be if we could actually make him change his orientation. So when he's going left, he's turning left. And like that. So let's see. So we can rotate the image. Let's see what happens if we, oops. Oh yeah, so we need to import math. Oh, you did that. So we have math. So we need to use pi, right? So let's see what happens if we rotate him by, because we can add another parameter in for rotation. What if we rotate him by math.pi over 2? So that's 90 degrees. Let's see what that looks like. So, okay, so if he's 90 degrees, he's facing this way. So it looks like if he's 0, he's straight up. This is 90. Pi would be 180. So if we just say just pi, let's see what that looks like. Yeah, okay. So, basically it looks like, so if he's straight up, rotation is 0. If he's, it's basically, it looks the same as this guy, doesn't it? If he's straight up, rotation is 0. If he's this way, it's 90. It's like heading, right? So here his heading is 90. If we go this way, his heading is 180, 270, and back to 0. Right? Okay, so we can use that when we're drawing the image. But how do we know which way, if he's going up, down, left, right, or whatever? Well, we have this key down thing that tells us what to set the velocity to. So we know if our velocity is 0.5, that he should be facing that way, right? Oh, okay. We could have a rotation variable that we can set when the key goes down. How about that? So let's say self.rotation equals 0, and we'll always have a rotation in here. Yeah, rotation. And then right here we could just say self-rotation equals, so to go down, that's going to be pi. To go up, we're going to set the rotation to 0. To go right, self-rotation equals 90 to face right, and to face oh no, not 90, pi over 2, right? We have to do radians. Pi over 2, and then to the face left, self-rotation. So basically it goes 0, pi over 2, pi, and then it's going to be 3 pi over 2, 3 times math.pi over 2. Let's see if what that does. Okay. Look at that. Cool, we have a turtle. All right, so we have some good basic elements now. Maybe a couple of things we could talk about is, how we would stick in a timer and scoring and stuff like that. But we have kind of the basics of a game here, it looks like. So play around with this some and see what you can come up with.